What a song of delight in the city so bright will be written in heaven's clear dawn. All the ransom will raise, happy sound in His praise, when all of God's singers get home. When all of God's singers get home, where never has sorrow of heartaches will come. There be no place like heaven, my home. When all of God's singers get home, as we sing here on earth, song of sadness or mirth, these are foretaste of rapture to come. But our joy can't compare with the glory of there, when all of God's singers get home. When all of God's singers get home, where never a sorrow of heartaches will come. There be no place like heaven, my home. When all of God's singers get home, having overcome sin, hallelujah, amen, will be heard in the land or the fall. Every heart will be light, and His face will be bright, when all of God's singers get home. When all of God's singers get home, where never a sorrow of heartaches will come. There be no place like heaven, my home. When all of God's singers get home.
Yes. Once again, let's give a huge round of applause for school choir. Once again. Thank you so much. And that incredible sound was composed by Sir Chamdun Renta. The lyrics, the tune was composed by our Sir Chamdun Renta. Thank you so much, sir. Baptist High School Chamber Choir will be a rival to Nagaland Chamber Choir and Silong Chamber Choir very soon. Keep it up. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Moving on to the next item, we have folk song. by Mission Center Fellowship Tening. Well, the item number 2 is going on. Item number 3, Barbie Dance.